Now, if you want to know how your coin is doing, there's what we call Poocoin. Poocoin is Poocoin is an app I can use to check how your coin is doing. Now, this is Poocoin. It's a web app. It's a website that you can use to know how all those your DeFi coin. You know when you buy DeFi coins, sometimes you want to really track how they are doing because they are either they're not listed on CoinMarketCap or they're not listed on CoinGecko. So you simply click on you can open it up. You can open Poocoin on your Trust wallet. You connect your wallet. You connect your wallet to it. Like you can open this, connect your wallet to it. Okay, let me show you. This is let's open Poocoin here. Now Poocoin. Let's open Poocoin. Let's change it to Binance Smartchain. Then let's just click connect the wallet. Now I've connected the wallet now, so I can now see how the coins that I bought is doing. So let's just look for Doggy. Now this is Doggy. This is Doggy. See how Doggy has been doing since last night. Doggy has been going all the way up since last night. Like it has done over a hundred and over a hundred and it's over 200%. So now you can use this to track the prices of your coins, of your different coins that's on the Binance Smart Chain, and see how it's doing and all that. So that's how to use the Poocoin app. And then so I hope you got something from this video. Don't forget to like this video or subscribe to this channel or recommend this video to someone. Thank you.